Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing Cat Herder. So make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Thanks! Let's get started. Let's start on level 1. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I want to pick up you. Drop you. Do I put you in here? Yes, I do. Okay, stay there, I guess. Come on. Dang it. And yes! I got it. Alright. What's next? How did I do? Oh, barely 3 stars. Alright. Let's keep going. Level 2. Can I turn on the TV? Yes, I can. Ooh, they all like TV. The TV. That's nice. Makes it super easy. Alright, started. How'd I do? 13 seconds! 3 stars! Let's go. Alright, level 3. Let's turn on the TV, because now I know that some cats like it. You are Lazy Larry. I'm gonna call you Lazy Larry. Do you like the TV? Yes, you do. Do you like the TV? Oh shoot, I need 2 over here. I think. Come on, come on, come on. Herded! Yes! 29 seconds. Alright. Did I get 3 stars? Dang it, I did not. Let's go to the next one anyways. I don't need 3 stars and I do not want to redo it. I forgot, was I a number 3 or number 4? I'm pretty sure it was number 3. Oh, dang it. Let's do it again. I mean, this time maybe I could get an even better score. Inspect the cat. You're active. Who's lazy? Who's Lazy Larry? You're Lazy Larry. Come with me. And herded! 25 seconds. Still 2 stars, but it's fine. Now I know that we are on the 4th thing. What's this? Over here, cats. I got a toy for you. You are active, Waterman. Just stay here. Just stay there. And herded! Yes! 18 seconds. How did I do? 2 stars. Barely. What was it? 3 stars. Anyways. Let's go to the 5th. The 5 one? 5 one. Let's turn on the TV. Apparently this too. Because there's no other spot. Come on. Nope, get back here. Alright. Herded! 19 seconds. Alright. And dang it, only 2 stars again. It's fine. As long as it's not 1 star, then I am A-okay. Oh shoot, I accidentally pressed the wrong one. Let's turn this on. That, yeah. 10 seconds! I got it better than, I did better than the last time. 3 stars. Let's go! Alright, now I know that it's level 6 now. Turn on the TV. Does everybody like the TV? does this one wants only one. So let's turn this on, put this down here. Turn this on. Put it right here. Do you like, oh no, you don't like either one. Okay. 2 there. Dang it, drop. Get over here, cat. Dang it, turn the TV. Almost. Huh. Who has to? Oh shit! I did this wrong. All right, everybody, turn off, turn on the TV. Turn off. Everybody, to the TV. You, to the TV. God, this is gonna take so long. Okay, TV. There you go. This one needs... Which one needs 2? I think... Alright, you're gonna be my test. Or... Is this one? That one wants 2. Okay. Now I know where to put these. And turn off. Come on, cat. Drop you. Finally, herded. Oh my god. Okay. You know what? I am going to retry that one. Turn on the TV. Everybody, go to the TV. To the TV. Let's go. 1, 2. Alright. I'll get set up here. Oh, I gotta turn this one on. I'm gonna turn the TV back on. Come here, cat. Get over here. There we go. And 32 seconds. Way better than 1 minute and I forgot how many seconds. 2 stars. Alright, that's good enough for me. Level 7. Alright, let's start. Oh, look at this. Alright, everybody, go. Grab that. You coming with me. Right here. Go. Come on, grab the cats. Let's go. And 20 seconds. Yes! Alright, I think I did pretty good. And I only got 2 stars, but 2 stars are better than 1. So, let's move on to level 8. Alright, you. Go. This one needs 2. Okay. Let's grab this one. Go right here. And herded! Yes! Right when the cat was about to get out of the spot. Alright, yeah. Just gonna call it the spot. 2 stars. Better than 1. Again. It satisfies me. Level 9. Oh. Ooh. Oh, this time I got 2 balls. And let's put them both in there. Let's grab this one. The cat, look. Over here. Get the ball. Get the ball. There we go. No! Get back on there. There we go. Herded. Nice. And dang it. 1 second away from 3 stars. Let's keep on going, I guess. Alright. Level 10. Let's go. What do I have to help me now? The TV. What do you like? Stop it. What do you like? You like everything. Set you down with the TV. What do you like? don't like anything. Okay. What is... That means you're gonna be my test. What does this one want? Only one. So you're gonna go here. So I'm gonna put 1 and 2. Go. Yes! Heard it! 34 seconds. Alright, let's see how well I did. Ooh, only 2 stars. I wasn't even close to 3 stars. But, it's fine. Ooh, I want to level 2. Well, section 2, I guess. Alright. What is this? Okay. Now, this makes better sense. Alright, look at that cat. There we go. Let's grab the second one. Look at this. There we go. Alright. Get in there. Come on. I think you're the lazy Larry of the group. 18 seconds. Alright. Let's see what I can do now. 3 seconds away. Alright. It's good enough for me. Let's go to the next level. Number 2. Right. What am I gonna do with this ball? Who likes this ball? Who likes the ball? You do. Okay. I'm just gonna grab you. Oh, you do not like being carried. Okay. Ugh, that's bad. What do you like? Oh, you like the ball. Come on, just hurt yourself. Yes! 23 seconds. I'm not doing that one again. And I got 2 stars. Nice. Good enough for me. Let's go to the next. Ooh, is this a laser pointer? Hey, cats, look at this. It is! Oh my god, they love it. They love the laser. The laser, cat, laser. There is a laser right here. Everybody, you see the laser? It's right here. Get the laser. It's over here. Alright. There you go. Now go over there. Alright. 39 seconds. Let's go. At least it wasn't 40. 2 stars. Good. Alright, let's see here. I think I'm going on to level 4. Yes. I am going on to level 4. Alright. Oh, sorry, cat. I don't want you. Who here likes the laser? Alright, what do you do? What do you do? I'm gonna set you down. I'm gonna set this down. Grab this. Throw that in there. Where is laser? Okay, laser. Hey, cat, laser. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Okay. How's... Oh, there's... Dang it, there's 2 spots. I didn't know there were 2 spots. Cat, get out of there, please. Can't get in there to take a bath. Okay. One of you, get out with the laser. Alright, where's the second spot? Follow the laser. Over here. Alright. Follow the laser. Oh, the other spot is in here, isn't it? Yeah. No! Get back in there! Inside. Inside. Let's go. Dang it, the other one got out. Alright. Dang it. Just drop it right here. It's gonna take forever. No! Okay. You know what? There's your ball. Dang it, I can't put it in there right. Oh, this is funny. Alright, cat. I need at least one of you. Alright, cat. Get in there. Go. Go. And... herded! Finally. 1 minute and 48 seconds. You know what? I don't even care that that it's 1 star. I do not want to do that one again. Alright. What was I doing? Which one am I on? I think it's number 5. Yes, it is. Is this catnip? This catnip. Please don't tell me there are 2 cats. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, 19 seconds. Great. What can I do with 19 seconds? 2 stars, but that's okay. Now, it is time to go to level 7. I'm pretty sure. 7. I'm gonna guess 7. Yes, okay. Turn on the TV, everybody, go to the TV. What do you like? You like everything except for catnip, okay. Where's there should be like catnip somewhere, right? Because they said they don't like the catnip food stuff. Oh, they're right there, okay. Each needs 1. So I'm gonna put 1 there. 1 there. Alright. Go, cats. And curtain. Alright, that was easy enough. 32 seconds. 2 stars, and I don't even care. Alright. Let's go to the next. Level 8. Alright, cats, to the TV. To the TV. What do you like? Alright, go to the TV, cat. Oh shoot, no, TV. That was a close call. 1 catnip here, and 1 catnip there. I'm gonna grab 1 of you, and go! Are you serious? Nobody likes the food. Come on. No! Dang it! Let's try this again. Alright, everybody to the TV. Except for you stay here. Alright. Put 1 here. And 1 right here. Nope, you're not going to the TV. Go separate ways! Dang it, you don't like being held. This is gonna take forever. Okay. Do you like being held? No, you do not. Alright, I'm gonna grab you then. I'm gonna do that. Dead zombie. Where's the other one? Come on. There were 2 containers. Is it still on this side? No. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh my god. Ah! Forgot they don't like being held. Alright, to the TV, everybody. To the TV. One right there. And 1 right here. I keep forgetting. Just gonna sit here. In hopes. Oh, no. Okay, guys. I will see you when I have finished this one, because apparently it's gonna take forever. Hello everybody, welcome back. I have finally made it. I don't know how I even survived. Anyways, let's go to the next one. This looks like the same one, so I am going to go back to the level menu. Oh shoot. Guess level 2 and 9, I guess. There we go. This is the right one. Alright. Ooh, what's this? Cats do like this? They do. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. Y'all are gonna play over here, okay? No. Alright, I'm gonna turn this on. Hey, you like this? You like that? Okay. Oh, you cats. Hey, herded! Yes! Okay, 24 seconds. What will that give me? 24. Dang it. Again, 3 seconds away from 3 stars. I'm still gonna go to the next one though. Oh, but looks like that's time. Stick around for part 2. Make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy your lives. Goodbye.